Most people think that vultures are pros at ravaging carcasses, but sometimes they have to take a backdoor approach. Vultures often just aren't strong enough to break into the hide of an animal. Without larger scavengers to help them out, vultures have to go for the softest part of the carcass first, like the eyeballs and the butt. That's happening more and more often where things like hyenas and jackals are hunted by humans, and there aren't any left to help the vultures get a carcass open. So even if you don't care about protecting the larger scavengers, let's do the vultures a solid so they don't have to go through the butt.
So one thing that really surprised me was from 1970 to 2010, in 40 years, we've lost over half our wildlife populations.